Vice President Sara Duterte's confidential expenses. The Philippine Statistics Authority, or PSA, revealed that almost two-thirds of the OVP's confidential funds recipients do not exist. Out of all the 1,192 recipients of the 500 million pesos confidential funds, 1,322 of them do not have birth records in PSA's database. 670 of the recipients were identified as most likely matched to existing records. Prior to this, PSA revealed that 405 out of 677 recipients who supposedly received secret fund payments from the Education Department do not exist. The agency also reported that controversial recipients Mary Grace Piatos and Cocoy Villamin do not have birth records. VP Sara previously refused to comment on this matter, insisting that it is all part of their intelligence operations.
Okay, yung claim niya na it's all part of intelligence operations, that's why they're using pseudonyms there. Ang sabi ng iba, we understand most agencies, they will do that kasi matter of public record ang resibo, baka naman
security,
but ito ang problema, wala rin silang existing book which most in central intelligence agencies have that says, Mary Grace Piatos is, sino ba ang confidential?
Tapos may certain people lang yung dapat makakakita.
Parang sa PNP, di ba?
Yung nakalagay kasi yan, di ba, dun sa 2015 GAA na sinasabi ni Attorney Nery Colmenares na nakalagay dyan, dapat dun sa confidential funds, meron kang physical plan, di ba, doon sa iyong paggamit ng confidential.
Pero aside from that, yung record keeping, like I was saying, in PNP, meron silang assets. Ang assets, nakalagay sa black book and only a certain few number of people have the access to the black book. Kung sino yung naka-secret name sa resibo. Para kung public record ang resibo, they don't have to reveal that. Pero if kailangan if they need to scrutinize it, they can look at the book and see who it is. Ang problema ito, wala rin tong book.
Wala din. Yun nga yun yung physical plan na sinasabi ko. Yung, meron daw sila yung physical plan pero generic din. So it doesn't support yung mga claims sila, yung mga naka-sign doon sa acknowledgement receipts. And on the part of VP Sara naman, sinasabi niya, wala daw siyang alam doon sa mga acknowledgement receipts. So dalawa lang yan di ba? Sabi nga natin, it's either hindi ka okay na leader kasi hindi mo alam to na nangyayari under your nose, or pangalawa, I don't know.
Either or this goes against her because number one, if she claim niya wala siyang alam, incompetent siya to run the management of funds sa agency niya. Or number two, kung may alam siya, ang laking pera ang supposedly nawawala sa napunta actually. So either way, she is both, they're saying that she is both liable for the way these funds are managed.
Yun. Antabayan na natin yung magiging kasi yan yung isa sa mga grounds sa impeachment. Nga, sinabi nga ni Representative Franz Castro sa atin when we interviewed her last week, di ba? Kapag ganyan, nagsisinungaling siya. Di ba?
Or more importantly, possible criminal cases. If they're able to prove it.
Nako. Anyway, so ang dami kasi ng mga pseudonames na yan na wala. It's either, sabi nun sa PSA, wala sa kapanganakan, hindi nag-asawa or hindi rin namatay. Walang record sa
kahit hindi mo na i-check. Pag pangalan mo, Mary Grace Piatos o Nova Uishi Tempura, for sure naman, who would name their child Tempura? Ano ba naman yan? Anyway, maraming salamat po sa House of Puto Bao for this palubog, palitaw, napakasarap.
Marunong ka ba gumawa ng palitaw? Di ba chef ka?
Mahirap yan.
Mahirap ba to?
Pastry chef ang nakatrain dito. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyo and sa lahat na nanood ng brunch for Monday to start of the week. Medyo mainit, daming issues. Condolences po sa mga taga-Lasal. Lahat tayo ay nagluluksa. Hindi, syempre, we expected a win after that wonderful game 2. But that's how basketball is, bilog ang bola, and that's how life is.